Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. I'm Miss Jane and I just want to say thank you. Thank you for taking time today for yourself. Alam ko karamihan sa ating lahat ay abala sa maraming bagay. At madalas, nakakalimutan na rin natin ang ating sarili. Nakakalimutan natin na kailangan na rin natin ng nourishment. Not just for the body, but for the mind and soul. Today, I invite you to pause, huminga ng malalim, and open ourselves to a new way of thinking. This might feel simple, pero kung handa ka makinig mula sa puso, this one truth pwedeng mabago ang paraan sa pagtingin sa kabuuan ng buhay mo. You were born rich. When people hear that, madalas may reaction agad. Hindi naman ako mayaman, Miss Jane. Lumaki kaming mahirap. Kuha ko yun. Pare-pareho naman tayong may pinagdaanan. Marami tayong naririnig gaya ng linyang ito. Hindi para sa atin yan. But I want to offer a deeper meaning today. Being born rich doesn't mean you were born with money. It means you were born with gifts. You were born with the ability to imagine, the power to choose, the capacity to create change, the right to dream, and the ability to grow, even after mistakes. Kahit gaano pang karaming pagkakamali yan, nandyan ang abilidad natin para mag-grow. I remember mentoring someone, isang single mother. Napakasipag, may trabaho, may sideline. Pero laging kulang, laging kapos. Sabi ko, kapag may extra kang kinikita, saan napupunta? Ang sagot niya, ewan ko nga, parang dumadaan lang. And that's when I realized, hindi pera ang problema. It was a belief that said, money doesn't stay with me. And that belief was quietly controlling her results. Let us now talk about something that affects all of us. Paradigm. Ano nga ba ang paradigm? Ang paradigm is a collection of beliefs, habits, thoughts, feelings, behaviors. Mga naka-embed na sa subconscious mind natin. Ito ang nagdidikta ng kilos natin araw-araw. Kahit di natin namamalayan, automatic na siya. Have you ever asked yourself, bakit ganito pa rin ang sitwasyon ko kahit nagsusumikap ako? Gusto ko namang makaipon, pero napupunta pa rin sa impulsive buying. Bakit? Because your old paradigm is still in control. Paano ba na-form ang paradigm? Yan yung mga bagay na naririnig mo habang lumalaki ka. Emotions na paulit-ulit mong naramdaman. Yung environment kung saan ka na-expose. Example, money is the root of all evil. Huwag ka maghangad ng masyadong mataas. Then, those statements likely became part of your program. And here's the catch. You're not lazy, you're not broken, you're just programmed. But what can be programmed can also be reprogrammed. Before you can change your paradigm, you must first become aware of it. Kasi hindi mo mababago ang isang bagay nang hindi mo napapansin. Here's how to build awareness. Step 1. Observe your reactions. When something challenges you, what's your first thought? Takot ka ba agad? Or self-doubt? Or control? Step number 2. Identify your inner voice. May mga linyang automatic mo sinasabi like, hindi ako kasing galing nila. Mahirap na, baka magkamali ako. Dapat kontento na ako. Those are clues to your paradigm. Step number 3. Ask reflective questions. Kanino ko ba ito narinig? Totoo pa ba ito sa buhay ko ngayon? Gusto ko pa bang bitbitin ito? Awareness is the beginning of freedom. The moment you realize, ito palang bumabalik-balik sa isip ko, you're no longer powerless. You are now the observer, not the prisoner. Let's pause. Close your eyes. Say this with me, silently or aloud. I was born rich. I have the power to change my story. My mind is not my enemy. It is my greatest ally. I am not too old. I am right on time. This week, here's your challenge. Start a journal. Gamitin mo ang title na, Ano ang totoo kong paniniwala? Write what you notice. Ano reactions mo? Ano yung mga emotional patterns? Linyang bumabalik sa isip mo. This is not about fixing yourself. It's about seeing yourself. Awareness muna. Reprogramming comes later. And remember, walang deadline sa pagbabago. Whether you're 25, 45, or 65, you can always start now. Let's recap. You were born rich, full of potential, worth, and power. Your mind is your most powerful tool. Use it with intention. Your paradigm creates your results. Be willing to observe it. Awareness is the beginning of transformation. Next week, we go deeper. We'll explore how to shift the paradigm. Not just notice it, but begin replacing it. If may natutunan ka today, I'd love to hear it. Comment your biggest realization. And share this video to someone na feeling stuck. Baka ito na rin ang simula na magpapagising para sa kanya. I'm Miss Jane, and you're watching Unlock Your Infinite Potential. See you next week, and remember, you were born rich. Now it's the time to live like it.